We guide you through how to download the Slack apps on your laptop. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and search for the Slack download, then click the official Slack website. Once you're on the page, press the download button for your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Wait for the installer file to finish downloading, then open the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the app to install completely on your laptop. After the installation is done, launch the Slack app and sign in using your email and password, or create an account if you're new to Slack. You can now join your workspace, send messages, share files, and communicate with your teams directly from your laptop. If the app doesn't open right away, restart your laptop and try again.